A state legislator introduced a new law that could raise home prices up to 40%. A controversial bill that some say will give construction workers a fair wage, while others say will kill the home buying industry, passed its first hurdle, clearing the Assembly Labor and Employment Committee by an official 5-1 vote. In Sacramento on Wednesday, the committee heard AB 199, which would change labor law to extend the prevailing wage rate to local projects. Industry analysts say this could mean a dramatic increase in labor costs. The prevailing wage rate could give workers a significant boost. Some estimates see a pay bump of around 50%. That would be devastating, says Dean Dixon of Davis Development.
It'll just knock several projects out. Projects are so close to not making budget now that many projects will just come off the books. And, you know, it's easy for what we do, easy a 40% increase in what we would have to charge to get the job done.
The meeting was packed, mainly with those in the construction industry. Cesar Diaz with the State Building and Construction Trades Council of California says AB 199 is needed to protect workers.
Driving down workers' wages on construction projects where there are public subsidies doesn't help address the housing crisis.
Nick Cammarota testified against AB 199 on behalf of the California Building Industry Association.
This is going to impact a huge number of folks in California. While we may disagree over the numbers of the impact, and by the way, our example of $46 and $77 a square foot were just the hard costs of construction, they don't include land. Even the sponsors now are putting forth a $22 a square foot difference.
But the question, still unresolved, is what local public works project would trigger the prevailing wage rate law? Assemblyman Heath Flora, a Republican out of Ripon, was one of many who realized that the language still needed to be worked out.
That this is all boiling down to one particular issue, and both sides are willing to work on this. And so I know for myself, and the chair and I spoke earlier in the week, I personally am 100% committed to working with both sides to try to figure out a solution to address this issue. There's been a lot of things said today.
Assemblyman Kansen Chu, a Democrat out of San Jose and the bill's author, said he had no intention of harming the building industry.
This bill has no intention of redefining what is a public fund. You know, it's all in the code. All this bill is doing is to kind of update the language on this code section.
After the hearing, Chairman Tony Thurmond, a Democrat out of Richmond, said he would meet with both parties.
As I said, I'm going to hold both sides to getting together. I'm convening that, I'm facilitating that, and we will have further discussion about how to clarify any concerns on the bill. Thank you.
The bill passed out of committee by an official 5-1 vote. Flora recorded a no vote. It next goes to the Assembly Appropriations Committee. Both the labor and construction industries accepted Assemblyman Tony Thurmond's invitation to meet to hash out what exactly AB 199 will do. But there are questions that still linger how this bill will affect both the home buying and construction industries. From the Capitol steps, David Taub, GWIRE.